Hi, what's up, y'all? So I've gone live by surprise. I was just already live on Facebook. तो मैंने सोचा कि थोड़ा सा लाइव यहाँ पे चले जाते हैं. तो आज किस चीज़ के बारे में हम बात करें? थोड़ी सी बात करेंगे और 2-3 लोगों की मैं कॉल्स लूँगी और उनसे पूछते हैं कोई इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक हो सकता है. Let's talk about hi baby girl. So one of my best friends, Summer, is in New York, and we made a plan that we're going to show you guys New York streets. Like she's going to take us around the city, and it never happened because you'd never see, Times Square. The way my sister sent a picture yesterday from Times Square, I was in shock. Hali. Okay, let's talk about traveling. Summer is saying. Okay, let's talk about travel. So जब ये quarantine over होगा और सोचिए आपके पास दुनिया भर के पैसे हैं, आप कहाँ जाएंगे और क्यों जाएंगे? So let's talk about traveling. So if you want to go anywhere, you can give me a live call right now. I'm going to take your calls at random, and we're going to talk about it. Sabha saying, I saw your comments on Diva magazine. Yeah, Sabha, today I got really jazbati and I almost had a fight with people. So people were like, आप लोग किस किस्म के मुसलमान हैं जो टीवी पे काम करते हैं. और मेरा गुस्सा जो था, मैंने कहा कोई मुझे नहीं कह सकता मैं किस किस्म की मुसलमान हूँ, क्योंकि मेरा और अल्लाह का रिश्ता बीच में है. तो देर नहीं और ये वो, और फिर बहुत अजीब व गरीब कन्वर्सेशन हो. मेरी इनसे रिक्वेस्ट ये कि लेट्स टॉक अबाउट ट्रैवल. ठीक है, ट्रैवलिंग के बारे में बात करते हैं. एंड लेट्स हियर योर स्टोरीज अबाउट ट्रैवलिंग एंड हाउ इट्स बीन. अस्सलाम वालेकुम. Hello. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. How are you?
I'm good. I can't see you.
Just a second because I am not looking good.
मैंने लिपस्टिक लगा दी.
Yeah, exactly. I'm going for a lipstick.
Okay, tell me.
Because I'm not looking. I was in my bed and I just placed a call. So I said, let's see. किस्मत आजमाते हैं आज.
So what's your name?
My name is Mariam. How are you?
I'm good, Mariam. Mariam, मुझे बताओ कि as soon as inshallah when the lockdown is over, where are you going to travel to first? कहाँ जाना है? अगर मौका मिले तो कहीं भी हो सकता है दुनिया में.
Let's say अगर मुझे मौका मिला तो first of all actually मेरा already एक plan था जो कि क्वारंटीन की वजह से ही मेरा प्लान जो है डिसमिस हो गया. So I'm gonna go for Gilgit and China border and everything. I've never seen. I've been to Naran, but उस तरफ मैं कभी नहीं गई हूँ. So why not?
Oh God.
So I've been to Kashmir once.
हाँ.
तो ये कुछ एरियाज हैं पाकिस्तान के जो अभी देखना बाकी थे. तो मैंने सोचा कि बाहर जाने से पहले
have to go to Hunza. And I'll try and put up a post also about recommendations because मैं वहाँ बहुत जाती हूँ. It's really nice.
Wow! Oh, great. So, any tips for the area? Any tips for Hunza and anything else, because it's gonna be like for 10 to 12 days trip.
I will write about it. I think I should put it down in a whole blog and write it because there's so many things.
Oh, great.
So yeah, but thank you so much for talking to me.
Yeah, okay. I'm sorry. Actually, I couldn't show you my face because I'm looking really ugly. I'm sorry. Seriously.
You're looking really no problem. As long as you're comfortable, and I'm glad we had a chat. Take care of yourself.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye. Alright, so that was Batul, and she wasn't feeling exactly pretty, so she wasn't comfortable, but no problem. So calls ले रहे हैं और आज हम बात कर रहे हैं कि how we're going to travel. तो पता है plane में जाएंगे इंशाल्लाह, but where are we going to travel once the visas come and once the pandemic is over? So some happy thoughts. Let me see where I would travel. पर उससे पहले हम किसी की कॉल ले लेते हैं. किसकी कॉल लें? फैजान, राशिद, दाऊद, मलिक, अहमद, सैयद, उसामा, समी. ओके, उसामा की कॉल लेते हैं. मुझे नाम कभी याद नहीं रहता, so I'm wondering if I know Sama from somewhere or I don't. Well, let's see. He's answering his call. Assalamu alaikum. इतनी हंसी आ रही है।
आपने पहचाना मुझे?
दिखाए, शक्ल सही से दिखाए। टोपी शोपी उतारे हैं। मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा।
मैं आपके शो पे आया हूँ 2-3 बार और स्टैंड
Oh
अप
my God.
कॉमेडी कर रहा था कराची
Oh,
में।
how are you, Asama? How are you
Yes,
doing?
I'm good. आप कैसी हैं?
अल्लाह का शुक्र। मैं पता है आपकी चेहरे से ज्यादा मुझे आपकी आवाज याद है।
सही सही सही। How are you doing?
I'm
I see
okay.
your Instagram. You're doing अच्छा लगता है, मजा आता है देख के।
Thank you, yaar. I'm glad. Even though it's becoming a little exhausting for people who are watching also and the people who are on it also.
Yeah,
Because
because अब
पहले हमने सोचा
boring
था
हो गया।
10-15 दिन चलेगा, अब now it's like every day, so I come like I do it like 2-3 times a week now.
सही।
अच्छा, tell me something. Once this lockdown is over, where are you going to travel to first?
Travel to?
First, सबसे पहले अगर जहाज
अभी
में
तो
बैठने का
I'm
मौका।
trying to move back to कराची। मैं न्यूयॉर्क में फंसा हूँ।
ओ, तुम न्यूयॉर्क में हो?
जी।
वहां पे तो हालात बिल्कुल ठीक नहीं है।
जी थोड़ा सा like it's dangerous है, लेकिन सब लॉकडाउन है। I've been home just waiting for my flight, तो waiting to move back
Oh God.
and
Can you show us a
ऐसे
little outside your window as to what's happening?
या अभी तो थोड़ी थोड़ी बारिश सी हो रही है। अच्छा, एंड आई एम सो ग्लैड मैं इधर आपके साथ बात कर सकता हूँ बिकॉज मैं एक्चुअली द
Oh
कॉन्सुलेट
wow.
जनरल ऑफ
Hi, New
पाकिस्तान।
York. I love you, New York. I miss you.
So my stay here has been like I've been stranded for a month, 1 महीने से फंसा हूँ।
I think
और
आप और मीरा जी एक साथ मीरा जी को फोन कर लें, वो भी वही है न्यूयॉर्क में।
मुझे
उनकी
कल से इतने लोगों के मैसेज आ रहे हैं ऑनेस्टली कि मीरा जी से मिल लो।
कि वो न्यूयॉर्क से शायद पाकिस्तान आ जाए तो आप उनके साथ प्लेन में बैठ जाइएगा, क्योंकि
या
वो भी
बट आई थिंक होपफुली सून आई थिंक कर रहे हैं कॉन्सुलेट वाले जो हैं कोशिश कर रहे हैं और प्रॉब्ली सून एक फ्लाइट आएगी। बट आई जस्ट वांटेड टू मेंशन बिकॉज़ सो मेनी पीपल सी दिस। आई हैव बीन हियर 1 महीने से न्यूयॉर्क में और मेरा पूरा स्टे और खाने पीने का सब कॉन्सुलेट वाले कवर कर रहे हैं। सो दे हैव बीन हेल्पिंग लाइक एनीथिंग एंड आई थिंक वो
That's
एक
amazing.
गुड वर्ड बाहर जाना चाहिए।
That's awesome. And I mean, I understand that even if you're in New York or you're the best place in the world, home is home. And at a time like this, you just want to be home,
Of course,
you
of
know?
course. और अभी तो इतना डिफरेंट है। आप तो you've been here a couple of times and stuff, but न्यूयॉर्क अभी बिल्कुल डेड है, बड़ा डिफरेंट सा लग रहा है
I
एंड
know my
इट्स
sister sent me
एक्चुअली काइंड ऑफ
pictures.
नाइस, पता है क्योंकि रश नहीं है, साफ सुथरा है बड़ा। आई लाइक इट बेटर दिस टाइम अराउंड।
Yeah, but I'm sure there are lots of Pakistanis there. So are you in touch with anybody or 1-2 people that you can meet, even if you're
या
not
आई
seeing
डू बात करता रहता हूँ, बट ऑनेस्टली
them?
जब तक नीड नहीं है मिलने की तो लाइक यू डोंट गो आउट इफ यू डोंट हैव टू, तो बस घर पे ही हूँ ज्यादातर और या जस्ट
So what's the one fun game I can play with my viewers on Instagram? तुम लोग कितने सारे मजे के गेम्स खेलते हो जिसमें इम्प्रोवाइज करना पड़ता है, तो I'm thinking I should utilize your services and attack them now.
I don't know, that's interesting क्योंकि पता नहीं लाइव एलिमेंट बहुत है एक कॉमेडी का। आजकल सारे कॉमेडियंस भी लाइव होते हैं and we've just
होना
been talking
चाहिए।
about how it's so necessary for a comedian to have a live audience. It doesn't translate the same, so maybe you can try a couple of things like questions only or something जो बाकी comedians भी कर रहे हैं, but see how it works for you. बट वैसे आई सॉ योर थिंग एंड अगर मुझे मौका मिलेगा मैं सिंगापुर जाना चाहूंगा। मेरा बहुत दिल चाह रहा है क्योंकि मेरे कुछ दोस्त भी हैं और कॉमेडी नेटवर्क भी वहाँ अच्छा है एंड आई हर्ड सो मच अबाउट इट, सो होपफुली
Yeah, Singapore is amazing. I went many years ago, but I remember it being very nice and very expensive. So दोनों चीजें हैं।
नाइस
Yeah.
नाइस।
Take
So
care,
you
Samo.
have
You take care and keep in touch and let me know. I mean, when you're coming back, I hope it works out soon for you guys. You're
yeah
stuck. And I'm
definitely अभी
sure
तो
things will settle, and I'm sure everybody's going to make ways of getting home. Governments are doing the best they can, and it's happening. It's happening very slowly.
होपफुली सून आई थिंक 28 तक हो जाएगा। रमजान भी हो रहा है तो अब जल्दी जल्दी कर रहे हैं, तो पूरी दुनिया से लोगों को ला रहे हैं और यूएस आपको पता है इट्स वन ऑफ द एक्सट्रीम जोन्स राइट नाउ, तो थोड़ा टाइम लग रहा है सब कुछ, बट होपफुली जल्दी हो जाएगा। एंड आई जस्ट वांट टू से एक तो थैंक यू फॉर हैविंग मी ऑन द
Thank you.
लाइव थिंग एंड आई हैव बीन हियर फॉर द लास्ट 2 years। मैं अपना मास्टर्स कर रहा था फिल्म में, तो अब मैं
So no
मूव
wonder
बैक
I
कर रहा
didn't
हूँ।
see you in a while.
जी तो अब बस I'm just connecting with everybody and अच्छा like it's fortunate कि मैं आपसे बात हुई तो just trying to
Oh, that's so
remind
sweet,
people
Sama.
I'm coming
That's
back and
really
I'm gonna
sweet.
start my comedy and film work soon so
You should.
hopefully
So get in
I'll meet
touch.
you
Get
too.
in touch, and I'll
Definitely,
be in touch with you as well.
definitely
All the
nice to
best.
speak
All the
to
best and
you
stay
and
safe.
yeah, take
Bye.
care. Bye bye.
Now, let me tell you one thing. Being a comedian is difficult. It's very, very difficult. And I didn't know that Osama was in school in New York. So, Osama, really proud of you that you've gone to school in New York City and you come back and, be here. Safi saying, Anusha, I guess I have more chances to win the lottery than getting a chance to talk to you. No, I mean, I'm doing one boy, one girl, one boy, one girl, and 2 minutes. तो अगर आपको कहीं travel करना, she have an answer for me today कि pandemic के बाद, inshallah, if you would like to visit one place first, where would you like to go? So I'd love to go to Japan. And I want to go to Japan not for 10 days, 12 days. I want to take a month off and I want to go across the country. I want to travel by road. I want to see their culture. I want to meet their people. मुझे कोई fascination हो गई है जापान के साथ. All right, who else can we take now? All right, there's Kiran Shabir. Let's take Kiran. So one boy, one girl कर रही हूँ मैं. So it's fair and is square. Malta or Lisbon? Okay, so I've been to Lisbon, by the way, at the Sham, and Lisbon is kind of amazing. I haven't been to Malta. My brother-in-law lived in Malta for many, many years, but Lisbon is one of my favorite places in the world. नायाब की कॉल है नायाब की कॉल ले लेते हैं फिर. Look at this. Everybody was like, Anusha, nice skin, and then something happened, and I woke up yesterday with a rash on my face. Nazar. Assalamu alaikum.
Oh, hi, walaikum salam. How are
How
you?
are you? Good. How are you,
I'm
Naya?
good. I'm good. Thank you.
Where are you calling from?
I am from Lahore.
Ah, what's happening in Lahore? मैंने सुना है कि everybody's out on the streets and कोई lockdown नहीं हुआ, कुछ भी नहीं हुआ.
Yes, people are crazy. They're so-called educated people we're talking about.
हाँ.
So, you can't help them,
But then
actually.
listen, what happens to people like us who are actually staying inside? तो इसका मतलब है हम तो कभी नहीं निकल पाएंगे क्योंकि हम तो already एक महीने से घर पे हैं.
Absolutely. You won't believe. I went for some credit card issues to the bank, and the people were wearing gloves and mask. And besides that, they were literally, वो लाइन उनकी इतनी चिपके हुए थे कि मुझे लगा था क्या फायदा आपके इन ग्लव्स का और इन मास्क का. एंड द मैनेजर वर लाइक प्लीज हमारी ब्रांच बंद कराएंगे जो बाकी लाइन में खड़े हुए हैं, प्लीज गेट अ लाइफ. एंड आई वाज लुकिंग देम लाइक, और वो एजुकेटेड बंदे थे, फुल बूटेड एंड जॉब वाले. एंड आई वाज लुकिंग देम लाइक, रियली आर यू एजुकेटेड? Really think so?
Yeah.
It's sickening,
Very
so
true.
it's just sad.
I'm sorry to hear
Yeah.
that. Now,
Yes.
let's pretend that it's all over and behind us, and now we can sit on a plane and go anywhere in the world. Where would you go and why?
Okay. I would love to see my niece wedding.
Oh, and where
I
is
have to
she?
fly. She's living in Canada, Ontario, and she's like, please bring my dress, Khala. And I'm not like, I can't travel. I have to apply for 3 months before, and I can't help myself.
Oh my God! And when is
And I'm the only one. I'm the only one won't be there. Otherwise, all the family resides in America and Canada, and they won't be, and they will be there.
Do you have your visa?
Yes.
तब तो बहुत ही tragic हो गया है. I am feeling so bad for you. All I can say is
Absolutely.
I'm
My
so
dresses were
sorry.
there, and I have recently picked them.
No, that really is horrible. That
Yeah.
sucks.
Yes, a
Oh.
lot. So I can't help it. Yeah.
I don't even know what to
It's
say.
just
I'm
that.
really bad with just stay on
Yeah.
FaceTime and just keep watching and keeping in
I
touch.
do the same, twice, thrice, and I keep looking them, bugging them all the time. So what I can do, nikah aake ho gaya, khala, it doesn't matter. I need to be there. Koi baat nahi, you still have chances. Trudeau will do something. Trudeau can't do something. Come on, obviously. वो नए test responsibilities शुरू हो जाएंगे. You have to go through them too. So
Maybe it'll open up. You never know. But abhi to, I don't think it's going to happen over the next 2 months, at least.
Yes. And फिर अगर हुआ भी तो उनको फिर देना पड़ेगा कोई अपना रिजल्ट वगैरह, कि आप ये टेस्ट लाजमी पास करें और so many
या
things
मुझे
कि उनको
वैक्सीन
होगा कि
कुछ
absolutely. So it's like to be on a safe side.
वैक्सीन के बारे में भी लोग अजीबोगरीब चीजें कह रहे हैं कि वो वैक्सीन मत लगाना क्योंकि उसमें कुछ.
I've been dealing with a lot of patients these days because I'm a practicing clinical psychologist. So
No,
I know all these
amazing.
things.
Well, I talk about
So
mental health all the time, by the way. So maybe we can touch base on another day and just talk about anxiety during the COVID
it's
situation.
so much
Really
because
bad.
I know I have been through this. I lost my job before that, and I was high in anxieties, and after that I went to depression. And when I came out of that, I got to know that it was exactly planned the way I did, you know. So that just shattered me badly, and I
Sorry,
regained.
but
Being a
glad
psychologist,
I'm
I
glad you're helping
regained.
people. I'm glad you're helping people
Yes,
now.
yes,
You
that's
know?
why I wanted to be in this phase specifically, you know, this field, I would say.
Well, I'm glad.
So
Well, good luck. And I'm really hoping and rooting that the visas and the flights open or something or the other. We all believe in miracles. Umeed pe duniya
yes,
kaayam hai. Thank you
absolutely,
so
absolutely.
much and take care.
Thank you, thank you.
Nice talking to
You
you.
too.
Okay.
Hafiz, love you.
Hafiz.
Hafiz,
Yeah, thank you.
Hafiz.
Hafiz. All right, guys, that was Nayab, and she was really very sweet. My friend Shazeb is saying hi. Shazeb, are you still watching? Are you still around? Come by if you have to. And just ring the bell. Okay, let's take one more call. किसकी कॉल लें किसकी कॉल लें किसकी कॉल लें पता नहीं मेरा फ़ोन भी ऐसा है कि वो मुझे कॉल्स लेने देता है फिर नहीं लेने देता फिर oh my friend Summer is calling from New York. Let me take her call, guys. Maybe she can show us out of her window and let's see what's happening in New York. And Hash, I'll take your call.
I love how you accepted me.
I know. Out of all the calls that I'm getting, I accepted you, and everybody's like, take mine, take mine, take mine. Now they must be like, ये देखो favoritism
I
हो रही
wanted
है.
to show you the streets over here.
Yeah, show me.
Yeah, so this is Little Italy.
Oh, New York, guys.
The
It's
famous
empty.
Little Italy.
Famous Little Italy. It's empty, huh? Summer, it's unbelievable.
There's the
Can't believe
Empire
New York
State
is like this.
buildings. Look at that, the Empire State right there from my
Empire
window.
State. Wow,
Everything,
Empire State
guys.
Building.
No one on the streets.
So what's going on? What's the latest in the United States? When do you think we'll be able to travel to New York again, if ever?
Joe, can I speak in English or do I need to
You
speak?
can do it.
I'll try. I think New York के अंदर अब थोड़ा सा बेहतर हो रहा है मगर you know there's going to be another wave like a second wave as they say or a third wave. It happened with the Spanish flu. And the
Yeah,
thing is
exactly.
कि यहाँ पे इतने लोगों को पता नहीं है क्योंकि इतने उसके similar symptoms हैं flu के साथ कि लोगों को समझ नहीं आ रहा कि कौन क्या है तो पहले तो शुरू में it was just like old people मगर अब कह रहे हैं कि काफी Chanel's hair.
Oh, hello. meet your friend Suri is here too. Yeah, trust our live session to be this way, okay?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So I think people are just saying कि you know there's only so much time कि आप लोगों को अंदर बंद करके रख सकते हो and
That's
at some
true.
point you have to let them out and at that point you just kind of have to deal with people are going to get it and people are going to unfortunately either survive or not survive but that's how you build the immunity.
Yeah.
So I think that's what's going to happen at some point.
Well, I just feel like people should stick in till there's more clarity on the situation. It's going to be there for a while, but at least we should know the protocols of, you know, how to do this or work around work routine and travel or whatever. I think what's really bothering me is that I can't travel.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I'm, you know, okay otherwise, but traveling and not being able to just make it to even New York is really upsetting me.
I think traveling is going to be altered a bit, you know, like for example, unfortunately, जो 9/11 के अंदर हुआ था, and then after that, people had to go through all the secondary checks and all that other stuff that came about. And now it's going to change this. Dubai के अंदर Emirates has already started doing blood tests before you get onto the airplane. So I
Maybe
think
that's not a bad thing.
No, it's not. It's not. It's to keep everyone healthy, right? सबको बेहतर करने के लिए, सबको बचाने के लिए, they're doing all these initiatives. So hopefully I get to see you soon. I don't want to be locked in my apartment. At least Pakistan mein you have a little bit of walking ground and family and stuff. So it's me and Chanel.
I know. That's something though, because Pakistan mein, even if we are in isolation, we're at least 4 people at a time.
Yeah, exactly.
Right? Amma, abba, bhai, behan, shauhar, bacche, sabke paas koi na koi hai.
I know. So it's been
Yeah.
4 hafte now of being in the house. Luckily, I have a roof. I can go up there, walk around. But New York, I mean, जो downtown areas हैं वो इतने stressful नहीं है. ज़्यादा areas, Queens, Bronx के अंदर बहुत stress हो रहा है. But downtown area, everyone's respectful.
I heard Bronx. I heard Brooklyn was pretty bad actually.
Yeah, because it's the areas that people live very cramped together, and it's
Yeah.
also the areas जहाँ पे बहुत projects हैं, जहाँ पे
But one would think Manhattan's cramped, no?
No, but the thing is, areas पे depend करता है. So Soho is more commercial mix and stuff, but there's old parts of the city जहाँ पे बहुत पुरानी families वगैरह रहती हैं, वहाँ पे बहुत हो रहा है because लोगों को पता नहीं चल रहा किसको क्या हो रहा है. So I think that's the sort of stressful part. But the ambassador of the Pakistan Wildlife Foundation is on. It's so
Sweet.
funny.
Junior ambassador Manahil. That's cute, Manahil. Nice to meet you.
But I
hash
think people
brown.
just need to. I think people just need to remember that even after this finishes, तब ये खत्म भी हो जाता है या थोड़ा सा कम होता है. Just keep your distance. Just not because के young लोग हो, आप सही हो, but I think the important thing is
I think we have to continue wearing our masks. I feel like this is something I want to take on at least for the next 2 years. Wear my mask.
I think 1.5 year minimum because history के अंदर जो सबसे पहली vaccine बनाई गई थी in the shortest amount of time was 4 years. 4.5 years जो malaria के लिए बनाई गई थी. And that is the shortest time in history a vaccine was created because of the need. So I think people need to understand that कि vaccine के बगैर आप you need to just be distant. So give it a year, give it a 2. It's going to take some time, but it will get back to normal at that point.
Yeah. Well, thank
Until
you.
then,
And one day if you're out in the city, let me know. And if it's a decent time in Pakistan, so I will go live with you for a little while and show everybody around.
I think I was going to recommend one thing that people can do that I've really done. That if you know, everybody in Pakistan has internet mostly, and they have a smartphone. And regardless of what you are, who you are, I think there's so many apps out there now that really can help educate you in so many ways. And I've been learning 2 new languages, and it's so amazing because you just get the app and you just study it, right? And I want to recommend that to people. When people start getting tired, तब आप थक जाते हो घर में बैठ के सेम अम्मी अब्बू से बात करके कोरोना वायरस की 24 घंटे बातें कर करके. Just take an hour a day and do something different. Learn a language, learn to paint, music, जो भी है, इतना कुछ available है अब.
I found a free online class from some state university in either Pennsylvania or California. I don't know where it was, but it's like a free online class for writing.
Yeah, there's many. There's for coding, there's for design. So just dedicate 1 hour a day, 4 days a week to do something different. And
Hira is saying use Duolingo for language.
I use Nemo. Nice. That's the one that I use. It's called Nemo, like the fish Nemo. And it's on Apple apps, I think, as well. So if you use Nemo, that's the one that I use that I think is pretty convenient. But anyways, look, I'm going to let you go. You talk to all the other fans.
But listen, Summer, let's touch base one day. Think of a topic we can discuss perhaps. It's 2 Pakistani girls, 1 American, 1 Pakistani. But roots in Pakistan, and let's think of a few topics we can probably discuss and do a live session together. Answer some questions, take some live calls, or I don't know. Think on it.
I will. Bye, my Jan. Take care.
Love you. Bye. All right. So Summer is like one of my closest friends, and she's the best travel partner in the world because she's traveled so much, mashallah, that she knows how to get around. She's helpful and loving, and she takes care of you. And like you actually know how your relationship is going to pan out with the person when you travel with them. And Summer and I, fortunately, have a great time traveling with one another. So just missing traveling in my life. Suggest online jobs. अब ये तो काश मैं कर सकती थी कि online jobs. Okay, Hisham has been wanting to talk for a while. So Hisham, आप ही call ले लेते हैं. Sorry, my dog is just in and out. I don't know what's happening to my pup today. She's not a puppy, but she's like out of the room, into the room. Assalamu alaikum. Hi.
Wa salam.
So you are here finally.
I'm here finally. I have
How
to
do I
do work.
call? When do I call? How do I get first in line? Am I last in line? I was like, amazing. He's actually taking a whole And I like how people help. I like how people are helping you also.
Yeah, no, people are really helpful. If we usually are very nervous of asking people for help, but if you actually muster up the courage to ask people are really helpful. So yeah.
Where are you calling from, Sham?
I'm from Lahore.
You're from Lahore. So I just spoke to Nayab in Lahore, and Nayab said that यहाँ पे तो काफी situation out of control हो गई है कोरोना के साथ.
I mean, yeah, the situation is, but from where I live in the Johor Town area, right? So over there, I see the people are being really, really cooperative. I barely see anyone out in the streets. In the stores, only the necessary people who need to get the groceries and stuff. Like one person is dedicated in the family to go.
Oh, nice. That's nice. If only there's one. I went for groceries the other day, and I was just scared even touching a biscuit ka packet because I was like, "Pata nahi kisne isko haath lagaya hai." The दूध का डब्बा, so there are all my gloves, and I picked up everything.
There is a reasonable sense of, you can say, paranoia that people are being like overly like, oh, clean everything and do like this. But the thing is that we need to understand about the virus, how it works and how it does that. And I think that there are platforms on the internet to best educate yourselves and take the necessary precautions and all that. So
yeah, I think people will eventually lose their patience with the fact that you can't get out. No, बेचैनी अब सबको हो रही है थोड़ी सी. And that's the dangerous part because there's no idea on when it's going to finish. Tell me something. If you were to sit on a plane right now, and if I told you I'd give you a ticket to wherever you want, even if it is on, where would you go?
So many places I want to be. I want to go to Japan. I want to go to Italy. I want to go to, even if not on a plane, I want to go to the northern areas of Pakistan.
They're beautiful. Northern area is amazing. Italy is also beautiful. Italy, though, I'm thinking is going to be very affordable for the next 5 years, considering it's unfortunate, but I think it's going to be affordable for tourism now after the pandemic has created such havoc in their country.
Yeah, of course. But hey, here's to dreaming. Hopes. I really do hope to travel one day.
बिल्कुल सही है. हो जाएगा. Italy and Hamza. That's amazing. I think I also want to go to Japan, like I said, and I think I'd love to go to, I don't know, Japan and New Zealand, maybe.
I had always been fascinated with Japan. I actually applied for a summer school. I was meant to go this August, but unfortunately because of Corona, so the summer
I'm so sorry to hear that. Wow.
Yeah, but it's okay. It's okay.
क्यों नहीं यार, लोगों की शादियां कैंसिल हो गई हैं, तुम कोर्स नेक्स्ट ईयर ले लेना. No, Olympics cancel हो गया, अब क्या करें?
Yeah.
But thank you for your call. And thank you so much for calling and taking the effort to understand how to call and when to call.
I'm really excited. I'm really thankful for this. I'm a really old listener. I've been with City FM 89 since 9 years now.
Wow, amazing. So that means I'm going to meet you soon.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Of course.
But I'm really new to City FM 89, but I'm loving everything over there. It's quite nice.
We talked last time when Haroon was on your live stream on IG. I was there actually.
That's
So, yeah.
okay.
I didn't take much of your time. I do understand many people are willing to be a part of the live, but hey, it was a pleasure.
Listen to Sham, if you have any ideas of what we should discuss over the coming days, let me know, okay? Please, because I'm looking for interesting topics that are really engaging, and I feel like there's so much to talk about, and people want to share their own stories. So, but I wasn't being able to pick and choose anything. So, if there's anything in particular you think, then do let me know. Yeah.
I mean, we could really ask people about what they're doing in their this isolation life, like how they are coping with it. Because we really do need the positivity. We do need people to realize that we've got this free time. We're at home. We don't have any sort of like career. Like any job which is holding us down. I'm a student, so I'm at home. Basically, let me show you all this. I actually set up this spot for myself. I'm actually determined to read all of these books which I have bought over the course of time, and basically build myself up. So it could be interesting to know how people are coping with this isolation life, what they are doing. What productive things they are engaging in. So I think that would be
Interesting.
People
Yeah,
like thinking.
for sure. Thank you.
Welcome.
All
Thank you
right.
so
Well,
much.
I'll see you soon. Take care. Thank you.
You too. Take care. Bye.
Bye. All right, guys, that was Hisham. And somebody gave a really good answer that we should discuss people who are living in toxic homes, जहाँ पे आपके बाप ने या माँ ने या भाई ने जिनके साथ आपका रिश्ता अच्छा नहीं हो और अब लॉकडाउन में हमें उनके साथ बहुत रहना पड़ रहा है क्योंकि काम नहीं है, कॉलेज नहीं है, यूनिवर्सिटी नहीं है. So Mohammed Zain, that's an interesting topic because I think domestic violence, emotional, verbal abuse पाकिस्तान में बहुत है, and especially औरतों के साथ काफ़ी होता है. तो इस पे हम यकीनन बात कर सकते हैं. It's a good topic, but I don't think too many people want to come on live regarding the topic. I wanted to come on live and maybe talk about, there's another call that came in a little while ago. मैं आप लोगों की जितनी messages पढ़ सकती हूँ पढ़ रही हूँ. Who was that? There was somebody sitting with a guitar, and I can't find him anymore, so that's fine. But let me see who else is there जिसकी मैं कॉल ले सकूँ. या अमान अखलाक ऑफिशियल. ठीक है जी, ले लेते हैं ये कॉल भी और देखते हैं. Let's see what Aman is up to. I'm waiting for him to connect. And we're on live. 3, 2, 1. Ready for takeoff. I think I'm going mad. Have you noticed? I'm going mad. You're not connecting. So this is pretty unfortunate. And now who else can I go live with? Fatih Bajwa. Out style. ठीक है. Fatih को लेते हैं. She was unable to join. Federals. Show your feet, mistress. I'm not showing my feet, mister. Okay. Fatih Bajwas. Minahil. Mohammed Zain Alvi. Shahzain. One girl, one boy. How about Vajiha? Vajiha seems good. Let's take Vajiha's call. Let's see how she's doing. Vajiha Pirzada. All right, Vajiha. Assalamu alaikum.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. You're really pretty.
Thank you. You are pretty too.
So what's happening, Vajiha? Where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Lahore.
Lahore. Amazing. Let's call some Lahore today. So tell me what's going on in Lahore. Are you in isolation?
Yes, I am since 2 months now. It's been
Oh,
a
that's
while
good.
it's been a while that we're in lockdown, right?
Yes, we have been in
Yep.
lockdown for a while.
या तो ऐसा
So
लग
tell
रहा
me
है कि
what's
2
this
महीने हो
lockdown?
गए हैं.
हाँ ऐसा लग रहा है लेकिन मेरे ख्याल से हुआ 1 महीना है शायद.
अच्छा. नहीं
हाँ.
मुझे 2 महीनों की क्या आई गेस फरवरी में स्टार्ट हुआ था ये.
पता नहीं अलग जगहों में अलग अलग हुआ था. कोई पहले बैठ रहे थे कोई घर में. जब गवर्नमेंट आई थिंक लास्ट मंथ थोड़ा सा ज्यादा कहा कि होना चाहिए.
या फिर मेरे माँ बाप ने जल्दी हमें बंद कर दिया.
ये अच्छी बात है. आपके माँ बाप ने सही काम किया लेकिन अब ये हो रहा है कि लोगों को अभी तक कोई सेंस नहीं आ रही. तो हम जैसे लोग बड़ा सफर करेंगे. 2 महीने घर पे बैठे हुए हैं और अभी भी निकलना डेंजरस है.
बिल्कुल सही बात है. What are you up to?
Nothing. So I was just asking on my callers today कि अगर मौका मिले to sit on a plane once inshallah all this is over, then which is the first place you would like to visit? कोई भी जगह हो सकती है दुनिया में.
I would love to visit Italy. And अब मुझे अभी मैं आपकी बात सुन रही थी जब आपने बोला कि अच्छा अब वो अफोर्डेबल होगा हमारे लिए for our teenage people. So I think कि अब this is the right time to go to Italy.
Yeah, it will be. I mean, I don't know if right now is the right time, but it will be the right time very, very soon. So you must go.
So what are you
Yeah.
doing? Like, what do you do? Like,
I'm just hanging out with my dogs. I rescued a couple of cats, and I just keep spending a lot of time with them. So it's fun. It's a lot of fun. Yeah.
यहाँ पे तो अब
But
लाइक पहले थोड़ा स्टार्टिंग में इंटरेस्टिंग था, लाइक आई वाज ट्राइंग कुकिंग, जो पहले हम लोग नॉर्मली नहीं करते घर में,
हाँ,
ट्राइंग टू कुक, रीडिंग बुक्स एंड ऑल। पर आहिस्ता से जैसे जैसे टाइम बढ़ रहा है ये भी बोर करने लग गई चीजें। सो नाउ
तो एक चीज,
रियली
कौन सी ऐसी एक चीज है जो तुम सबसे ज्यादा मिस कर रही हो?
गोइंग टू सिनेमास एंड वाचिंग मूवीज।
ना? Yeah, I know. Same actually. I'm actually missing events. I used to be like, आज भी event है, कल भी event है, फिर तैयार होना है, फिर जाना है. Now I'm just
और दूसरी
missing it
बात है,
all.
और सबसे ज्यादा जो और चीज मैं बहुत ज्यादा मिस करी वो है कि कहते हैं आप लाइक गोइंग टू फूड कोर्ट्स, गोइंग टू लाइक शॉपिंग विद फैमिली। मुझे लगता है जब ये अब इसके बाद ना ये जो ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग का ट्रेंड है खत्म होने वाला है
हाँ, I
आफ्टर
know.
लॉकडाउन।
I
कोई
know. I think it's
ऑनलाइन
going to be
शॉपिंग नहीं
nice.
करने वाला, हर
सही है.
कोई जाने वाला है। इनके जो
और
जो
जाना
ऑनलाइन
और जाना चाहिए. I think we
और जो
deserve it now.
रिटेलर, ये जो स्पेशली लॉन के रिटेलर्स थे, इनके शॉप्स बंद होने वाले
वो अच्छा है यार, बड़ी पैसे खर्च होते हैं नॉनसेंस पे.
इस
But
बार तो
thank you so
बल्कि
much. हाँ, thank you so much for calling. It was a
कैन आई
real
टेक अ
pleasure.
स्क्रीनशॉट?
Yes, of course you can.
बाय
हो गया? Okay, thank you so much for calling. Bye.
बाय।
Bye. All right. How sweet was Vajiha? So pretty and so intelligent and so mature. And Shahzeen is looking for attention. बेचारा वो गंदी गंदी बातें कर रहा है. Shahzeen नाम तो अच्छा है लेकिन बातें बड़ी सड़ी हुई हैं. It doesn't matter anyway. हर 2-3 दफा, हर 2-3 लाइव्स के बाद एक आ जाता है बंदा अपनी फ्रस्ट्रेशंस निकालने के लिए. Oh, Shahzeen is also video calling me. Amazing. Shahzeen.123. Guys, if you can report it, please report it. I'm going to block him, but after this session. क्योंकि मैं भी करूँगी तो मेरी वीडियो जो है वो ब्लॉक हो जाएगी. अच्छा, आगे कौन है? Aman is calling again, and Aman said he couldn't sing for us. So let's see if Aman can sing for us. That would be nice. हाँ, नियाज कह रहे हैं वो Shahzeen को छोड़ दिया यार. वो attention के लिए कर रहा है बेचारा, तो उसको रहने दो. खैर, Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
At last यार पहुंच गए यहाँ पे after waiting for so long.
हाँ.
You know, I was literally stressed now. मतलब इतना आजकल का एक तो माहौल ही ऐसा है, बंदा घर में बैठे बैठे पागल हो रहा है.
हाँ.
तो what's up?
Not much. Just taking some calls online and just online for a little while. But बस मैं भी यही कर रही हूँ यार. I think we are going live to talk to you guys. You guys are coming live to see us live, and we're just keeping each other alive somehow.
यार क्या ये मेरा इंटरनेट है या you are kind of glitching? Like थोड़ा सा distortion हो रहा है.
So okay, अभी I don't know. मैं तो काफी देर से.
It's not your fault. मेरी बात ही हो रहा है.
But I think you're looking great and you're looking fine. So what are you gonna sing for us? And just tell me also,
Yeah,
if you had like an opportunity to travel to any place and perform maybe right after COVID, कहाँ जाते हैं आप?
यार सबसे पहले तो मैं अपने घर से बाहर निकलूंगा. लिटरली लाइक अपने घर से आप बाहर निकलोगे आपको ऐसा लगेगा आप पहले यहाँ कभी गए नहीं हो. ये भी एक जगह होती थी यार.
अभी कौन से शहर में आप?
मैं कराची से हूँ. कराची बोल.
ओह, तो आप कायदे आज़म की मज़ार या समंदर जाएंगे और कहेंगे
नहीं
बेस्ट वेकेशन है मेरी
यार आई एम बीइंग ऑनेस्ट. लिटरली आई एम बीइंग ऑनेस्ट राइट नाउ. मैं आज तक कायदे आज़म के मज़ार नहीं गया. मैं आज तक नहीं गया.
बहुत अच्छी जगह है. इट्स नाइस. आई रियली लाइक इट. चलो, नाउ यू नो व्हाट टू डू एंड वेयर टू गो. जो जहाँ होते हैं ना फिर वो दे टेक इट फॉर ग्रांटेड. क्या सुना रहे हैं हमें आज?
अभी एक गाना था पुराना सा कवाली टाइप, 2 सुनाऊंगा जल्दी जल्दी. ठीक है?
ठीक है.
एक ये पुरानी कवाली है. स्टार्ट करता हूँ. जवानी पे मेरी सितम ढलने वालों, जरा सोच लो क्या कहेगा जमाना. जवानी पे मेरी सितम ढलने वालों, जरा सोच लो क्या कहेगा जमाना. वो पर्दे के पीछे मैं पर्दे के आगे, वो पर्दे के पीछे मैं पर्दे के आगे. तू हो जाए आगे ना मैं जाऊं पीछे। ये
This was really nice.
थैंक यू थैंक यू।
Well done. Congratulations. And you have a really nice
आजकल मैं यही
voice.
यू नो
I think you should.
whenever I'm
I think,
stressed like
yeah, I
हाँ
think you should write to Dino and do a live session with him. Dino is doing a lot of cover songs and stuff with people.
मैंने ट्राई किया था लाइक मैंने कल ही देखी उनकी जो थी लाइव, तो मैंने सोचा मैंने
He's
टेक्स्ट
very
किया
funny.
अब
He's
देखते
very funny.
कब आता है।
तो उनको मैं भी
He's
बताती
doing
हूँ
such a
और आप
great
भी
job.
देखें कि Dino do it with the public also and then he can take you on, you know.
श्योर
Okay,
काश यहाँ
take
पे 3
care.
लोग आ सकते।
I know. चलो मैं भी उनसे करती हूँ. Thank you so much and thank you for your music.
थैंक
All right. Hafiz.
यू।
Okay, Niaz Bain is there. How nice was his voice? He had such a beautiful voice. और आज मैंने ये filters पता नहीं क्यों लगाए हुए हैं. क्या कर रही हूँ मैं मुझे नहीं पता. लेकिन Niaz, okay, I can put it in. Appreciation mountains will be built for you there. Yeah, I know. It's amazing. What place? Posted on Soul Brothers. Okay, so Aman posted on Soul Brothers. नियाज की भी कॉल ले सकते हैं. मैं जल्दी से देख लेती हूँ. आई थिंक एक आध कॉल का टाइम है मेरे पास. तो ओ नो मेरा फोन जो है वो बैठ गया है. अब कोई कॉल्स नहीं हो सकते, सिर्फ फिल्टर्स लग सकते हैं. कोई कॉल्स नहीं हो सकते. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in today. I think we're going to talk about Niaz. I will check. 110%. My phone's gone off now, so I can't take any more live calls. But it's almost 10 o'clock, so I was on air for 40 minutes. Love you guys. And inshallah, tomorrow is Wednesday. So Wednesday, I have no lives. So maybe I'll go on air at 8 p.m. I think is better for all Pakistanis. क्योंकि फिर I think अमेरिका और कनाडा वगैरह में भी जो हमारे व्यूअर्स हैं वो भी जागना शुरू हो जाते हैं. So 8 p.m. या 5:30. ठीक है. We'll do something or the other. And take care, guys. See you tomorrow. Moeen, assalamu alaikum. I will take your call tomorrow, Moeen. I'm so sorry. I was trying to take some new people as well because they keep telling me that I haven't even spoken to them once. So tomorrow, inshallah, is another day and we are in lockdown. So I'll be with you guys. Right now, my phone's gone off, so I can't really take any more calls. When are you going live with Ali Noor next? So I'll call up Ali Noor maybe next week. But Ali Noor means madness. Well, thank you guys. God bless you. And alhamdulillah, you know, things are good. You guys are doing well. So I'm happy that we are all somehow managing, hanging on to each other's shoulders and just managing. I'll see you tomorrow, either 5:30 in the evening, Karachi time, Pakistan time, or else 8:30. 8:30. ठीक है? Assalamu alaikum. Take care. And Aman, if you guys like my voice, follow Aman, please. Please, Aman just sang for us and he sang really well. Take care, guys. Assalamu alaikum.